What up, and welcome. This is Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer from South Africa, the greatest Matthew. I am so excited, guys. This is Aphrica, the new SHADCN for React Native. This is an awesome library. We are at version 1.0.1.5. Okay, I have updated the library, guys. Okay, so I've got a lot of awesome things. Okay, so please, guys, if you've got time, just go to npm and search for Aphrica. This is the new SHADCN for React Native. Without wasting time, let's just demonstrate so that you can see what are the new components that I have added. Okay, as you can see, guys, this is the library. Okay, the first component, we've got an fancy avatar. As you can see, the avatar is customizable. You can remove the picture, you can remove the live section. As also, guys, it has got some sort of a gradient. Okay, you can see that cool orange gradient. Okay, and also you can remove the border and you can change the name. I'm going to demonstrate that for you in this video. So guys, please don't forget, just go to npm and install the library. This is awesome, guys. Okay, everything is customizable, the components, they are reusable, and they are highly scalable. This is something that you have never seen before. Let's continue. We've got an A input. Okay, this is the input, guys. You can click there and the keyboard will pop up, and then you can type whatever that you want to type. It's an input, as you can see, guys. Okay, ready for you to use. Let's continue, guys. We've got a modern input, more like Google material UI design, as you can see there. Okay, so you can also just click here and type whatever you want to type. This is customizable. You can go and install the library, and then from there copy and paste, and boom, just like the way SHADCN does it. Okay, we've got a loading button. Okay, this is a loading button, so you can click the button and do whatever that you want to do. Also, we've got a button. Okay, when you press in this button, obviously it's going to show you an alert, okay, that I am pressed. Okay, these components, guys, they are highly reusable. They've got some callbacks, so callback function, so meaning that when you are using it, you just copy and paste and just inject the function that you want to trigger on that callback. As you can see, this is a variation of the same button. Obviously, at this moment in time, these are the components that you have seen in the previous video, but now after this avatar, we are getting into something awesome. Okay, you will see, guys, this card is awesome, and I'm proud of myself for coming up with this library. Okay, let's continue, guys. So we've got also this variation, as you can see. And then let's continue, guys. We've got an avatar, a simple avatar. Now let's get into the Dropbox Pioneer. Okay, boom, just look at this, guys. Okay, just look at this. If you want to maybe to create your own Netflix mobile or a movie application or whatever, guys, you can see you've got just what's the name of this component? A flexible image card. Okay, this is a flexible image card. Copy and paste. The most interesting thing about these components is that they are highly scalable, highly reusable, and they adhere to the solid principle. If you want to change the arrangement of these components, you can do so, guys. Okay, you can easily change the arrangement of the components. Just a moment, guys. I just have to log in again. It looks like I have been disconnected. My apologies about that, but the delay, it's not the denial. Okay, it looks like I'm also not connected. I am not sure why, but this is coded design. Okay, this is coded design, guys. Okay, let's continue, guys, and connect again. Okay, I'm using, if you are maybe wondering what am I using to connect my phone to the computer, I'm using an application which is called Let's View. Okay, I'm using Let's View. Maybe I just lost some connection there. Okay, as you can see, guys, we are back. By the way, let's just also load the banner for Aphrica. This is the awesome library, guys. If you didn't know, I built this from scratch, and I know guys, I know I owe you a video to show you how to create your own npm package. I haven't forgotten about that, but I just wanted to release this version, and then from then I will get into that one. Let's continue guys. So these components are highly reusable and highly scalable, meaning that you can rearrange these as you wish. You can put the image at the bottom, you can put the title at the top, you can rearrange the rating and also the stats, and everything guys is highly customizable. And also it's responsive. If your paragraph is bigger, it scales as well. Let's continue guys. This is the best. This is the best, and this is the interesting part. This is one of the features that I'm proud to bring it into the design and development community guys. Do you know what? We can record an audio. This component, it's ready for you to use. Okay, so now we need to test it. Let me just check on my recording application to see if I have recorded the system sound. Let's just hope I did, but I will check. Okay, so let's do the recording guys, exactly just like what WhatsApp did. Interestingly, this is available for you to use. Let's test it guys. Let's just do a voice record. As you can see guys, you see it's counting. Okay, this is Matthew, the designer and developer. Don't forget to download Aphrica and install it on npm, and then subscribe to the best of the best, the greatest, Matthew's channel, Coded Design. Okay, enough about that guys. Let's release and see. Okay, so I'm going to play it guys. I'm hoping that I have switched on that feature for a playback in this recording recording app of mine. Let's play it guys and see. Wow, awesome. So that's about it. Let's continue guys. I'm happy and excited. I'm happy and excited about this feature. You can record, okay, record everything. Then let's continue guys. The other thing that I'm excited to bring it into the industry. I've just realized that all the chats clone that are on YouTube, they don't have this square this sharp corner here, the top right sharp corner. All they are just rounded, it's border radius. But on WhatsApp there is this sharp corner. As a designer and a developer, I was like, this is something that I can attack, this is something that I can do, and I did it guys, and I've delivered according to my promise. This is Coded Design. This is Matthew Msingati from South Africa, the greatest app designer and developer of all time. Let's continue guys. As you can see guys, you've got these messages that you can customize. I will show you how to customize them. So as you can see guys, you've got the sharp corner aligned to the right and the sharp corner aligned to the left. This is awesome guys. If you are building a chat application, this one is for you. Let's go and build that WhatsApp. Let's go and build that Instagram. Let's go and build our own Snapchat. Continuing guys, this is also another awesome OTP. Okay, so obviously this one I think I will find a way to share a link to a designer who has designed this concept. At Coded Design, we are very high on giving credits to where it's due. Okay, this one somebody designed it. Okay, obviously in my videos I will show you the guy who has designed this. Okay, so this one is more like an OTP. Okay, obviously when I saw it on the design, I was not really sure how is it going to work. Okay, it's just a design, but I did what I think it's right, okay, or it's the best. Let's check guys. Okay, as you can see, let me just remove this message. As you can see guys, when I'm typing, the numbers, boom, as you can see, the numbers are showing, and I can't like some sort of type more characters, okay, more than 4, okay. And then just check here, guys, when I'm clicking back, as you can see, okay, this is just one of those awesome design that I quickly checked on the internet, and it was inspiring. And also what was challenging for me in this design is to do these some sort of suspended effect. As you can see, it looks like this is a string that is some sort of suspended, okay. So I was just I wanted to prove myself, okay. Obviously we are going to improve this component and see how are we going to enhance it so that it can be used in real life. Another one, if you think that everything that I've done took me long, okay, there is nothing that took me longer than this simple category scrollable view, okay. This took me longer, guys, more especially the logic, the states, it took me longer. Let's see, guys. So we've got this category available for you to use. If you click, obviously it will change the color so that it can show this as the active one, okay. Looks like I didn't click yes, as you can see, guys, okay. And also my apologies about the lagging a little bit. Remember, I have connected my phone live, so we are having those minor buffering or delays, okay. As you can see, guys, this is available for copy and paste, okay. You can just copy and paste this. Interestingly, you can customize it. What is interesting about this component is that, okay, if you've changed the active color as blue, as you can see, this dot is strong blue, okay, the system, okay, will automatically create a lighter version of that color coming up in the demonstration. The last one, it's a healer. Can you guess as to what is it? When I started React Native, this is what got me into React Native, this feature. So I am proud of myself to have brought that into the design and coding community, guys. This is the onboarding screen, and it welcomes, it starts with the Facebook pioneer and the engineer, the founder, the chairman, and the CEO of Meta. This is an onboarding screen, guys, okay. As you can see, it's bigger, okay, it's longer. So what you do here, you just click next. As you can see, guys, it's working, guys, 100%. This is our grandfather, Mr. Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela from South Africa. Rest in peace. This is our father, okay, in South Africa, okay. So guys, let's continue, okay. As you can see, guys, when you click next, okay, it slides to the next picture, okay. This is the CEO of Google, okay. As you can see, also, guys, it has got these dots, okay. It has got these dots. This is working awesome. You just copy and paste this and you feed it with an array of objects with all your image and the titles, and that's it, guys. Then you are a star. You can design a killer onboarding screen. Let's click next, guys. As you can see, we've got the one and only, the greatest Muhammad Ali, okay. Who's next? Okay, let's see, guys. Okay, let's see, did I click? Okay, now I've clicked. Let's see. Oh, okay, this has disconnected. That's not much of a problem, okay. This is disconnected. The reason why it's disconnect is because I'm not using a paid version of this app, okay. This is let's view. Obviously I'm not using a paid version, so it disconnected. So I have to regularly connect, okay. I have to always connect myself, but the delay is not a denial. This is called a design. We are back where we were, okay. Let's continue, guys, with this awesome demonstration. Don't forget, guys, to go to npm and download and install the package. Everything is ready for you to use. As you can see, guys, we are sitting at 644 weekly downloads. I think we've got 3 days now, okay. With 3 days, I started this 3 days ago, okay. So thank you so much for your support, okay. Thank you so much for testing the library. Thank you so much for showing the support. Let's continue, guys, okay. Let's continue. Let's see, okay. okay, we have the greatest. Who's next? Okay, let's see who's next. Let's see who's next. It looks like it's lagging. Let's swipe instead. The greatest, Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer from Coded Design. This is the man behind the voice and also behind the library. Okay, guys, if there's one thing that I want you to take out of this channel, out of me, and out of whatever that I'm doing, okay, patience. Okay, patience. Don't be quick to run. If you are crawling, you will run, definitely. Okay, take it easy, take it easy. I'm here, Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. I'm going to show you everything. You are in good hands. Let's continue, guys. Okay, enough about that. As you can see, guys, we can still, I want you to observe what will happen on this next when we reach the last image. Okay, when we reach that image, I want you to observe what will happen here. This is awesome, guys. I wish I had a library like this when I started to quickly copy and paste, but not for that necessarily, because copying and pasting, it's not the actual issue here. Okay, what I want you to do, I want you to install the library, okay, and study it. Go and check my intelligence, how I thought and how I've composed my components. For me, the best thing that you can do, I will be happy when you are coming back and telling me that, Matthew, I have improved your code. And to me, that will mean that I have reached some sort of my destination, because what I want to do, I want to come up with a product, but I am looking for guys who are going to improve it, who are going to, what can I say, supersede what I came up with. I'm not happy when I'm coming up with something that you can't do. I'm not happy. I want you to do it, but not only to do it, but to become better and become greater and the greatest and do more than I did. That means, to me, that is success. I have succeeded. I have just helped someone to become a better developer. So I want you to check, guys, what will happen when I click next. Let's see. Boom, we've got the one and only Mr. Trevor Noah. Enough about that, guys. Okay, remember I said, check here, guys. Now that we have reached the end, we've got get started. Okay, when I click the get started, okay, something amazing will happen. Okay, there will be a screen that will open up for a video camera 3D. Okay, that means we can edit in real life. It's more like a virtual reality. Okay, let's click on it, guys. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, I'm just joking. Okay, when you click here, it's just going to show an alert telling you can transition to your main screen. And this was my last screen. That is it, guys. SHADCN in React Native. I can't wait for another version, because in another version there's a lot of things that I am going to test, and also I won't be working alone. We are building a team. That means I'm going to come back on another version, better and bigger, and obviously now I will come back as a team. That it will mean that it's more work for me. Okay, I need to refine things. I need to put up some documentation, okay, so that everything could be consistent. I want this library to be used by every device that is running any application. Okay, this must be the one-stop shop, the go-to library when you want awesome interfaces. Okay, and that is it, guys. Okay, so because of time, okay, which component can we some sort of customize and demonstrate? Okay, I think it's this one. Okay, I think it's this one because of the component composition. So if I want it, what am I going to do? Okay, so what is happening now, I am lost in my own code, something that always happens to me. Okay, so guys, when you are done installing, okay, when you are done installing, what you must do, okay, you just need to go to your application and add this component, which is showroom. Okay, as you can see guys, showroom will be available. Okay, you just click there and then make it a self-closing tag. Let me just prove to you that this is the showroom that is being rendered. Okay, let's just render an empty fragment. Okay, my apologies about that. Let's just render an empty fragment and see. Obviously there is some sort of a little bit of a delay and buffering. Okay, maybe it's because of my connection. Okay, I wonder why it's taking time. That will mean I will have to restart it, but that's not necessary guys, because I was just going to show you a very small thing. Okay, there is still a lot to come. Okay, for those minor things. Okay, that's not much of. Let's just click undo, but this is the component that is being rendered here. Okay, so if you are done installing, you just go here and render this component, and then from here, then how would I maybe use this component? From here, if you're on Visual Studio Code, you can just right click and go to definition. Okay, and then when you here on definition, as you can see guys, these are all my states for input. Okay, meaning that at least you can know what is going on. And then what I want to do, I want to go to this one. Okay, I want to go to this one. This one is what's a flexible image cut. Okay, let's just go up and up and up and look for flexible image cut, and then we can edit that one guys, so that I can show you, okay, in real life flexible image cut. Here is it guys. Okay, let me expand this. Okay, so look at what we can do guys. What if maybe your boss comes and say that I don't like this picture maybe at the top, I want to maybe put it at the bottom? This is what you will do. Okay, you will take this component. As you can see guys, this is a compound component. Okay, so you can just take this component, which is a standalone component, and move it and put it where you want it to be. Okay, okay, now we are forced to do a refresh guys. Okay, we are forced to do a refresh because we want to see these changes. Okay, I'm just showing you how flexible, dynamic, scalable, and clean the code is. In this channel, I am going to teach you how to do just that. Why, Matthew? So that one day you can get a job and be a better developer and be a better person as a result. Okay, that's why I'm here to help you, and that's why you are here to help me. It looks like I'm in the wrong file. It looks like, because I'm trying to update but nothing update. Let me just check. Okay, run clean. Let me just check, but I believe I'm in the right file. Let me just do this. Yes, it's disconnecting. That means I'm in the right file. Okay, I'm happy with that. Okay guys, obviously as you can see that we are facing some minor technical issues. Maybe it's because of the app that I'm using, or maybe it's because of the internet. Okay, but I'm not going to demonstrate a lot of things. Okay, let me see. I have changed this image. Okay, I've changed this image from the okay guys, my apologies about that. I talk too much such that I don't even see if something has changed. As you can see guys, at the top we've got the title and we've got the image. The problem is this is beautiful. Okay, it fits perfectly such that I didn't even notice if there was a change. Maybe you have noticed it long time ago and you are like, this South African developer and a designer, he talks a lot. Okay guys, let's continue. Okay, so as you can see guys, this is flexible. Okay, you can also move your, what is the image? Okay, that's the rating. You can also move this image, okay, down. Okay, let's say here. My apologies about that. Okay, what have I done? I want this. Okay, this image, I want it to be here. Okay, I think it's in the wrong place. Let me just press enter. Okay, I want it to be here guys. Let me save and see. Okay, I hope it's going to be quicker this time. I hope it's going to be quicker, but at least guys, you see the idea. My apologies about my slow computer. I don't know what's going on, if I can be honest. Okay, but let's continue guys. Let's keep the fire burning. Let's keep it flowing like water. Okay, as you can see guys, this is 100% like customizable. If you want, let me just demonstrate one last thing, okay, one last thing when we are changing the image, and then we are going to close this video. Okay, copy image address. Okay, then we can just come here. Where do I want to be? I want to be in the showroom, and then in the showroom I want to change this address. Okay, I want to change this address. Let's just move this down a little bit, guys. Okay, change this address and then paste this image and then save, and then let's just quickly do a refresh. Okay, what you can do also with Expo, I hope this will happen, you can shake your device and then suppose a modal pops up and give you a chance to refresh. But obviously, guys, as you can see, I'm facing some technical issues, but in best condition, that's also another way to refresh. Okay, that's also another way to refresh. I'm supposed to see something here. Let me run this. Okay, let me run this, guys, and then you are going to see the image is going to be updated. Okay, and then when it comes to what else, when it comes to the other interesting thing is okay, let me just check where is my code. Okay, the other interesting is the onboarding. Okay, the onboarding, this is taking too much time, my apologies about that. Let's scroll down and see. As you can see, guys, now we just have an image, Steve Jobs image. As you can see, guys, I am Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer from South Africa. If you feel like this library is adding value to you, please, guys, go to npm and install the package and test it. And also don't forget to give me a feedback. Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. Don't forget to code badly with pride. See you on the next one.